In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trending Instagram 4K realistic portrait using Google Gemini. If you're looking to elevate your social media game, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, simply type in Google Gemini. This will lead you to various results, but look for the official site, which should be at the top or near the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Google Gemini website. If it's your first time here, you may need to sign in. Go ahead and use your login credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you should see the option to start a new chat. Click on New Chat, and a new window or tab will open up. Here, you'll notice a plus sign button, which allows you to upload a photo. Click it and choose the photo you'd like to modify or enhance. It's important to select a high-quality image to get the best results, so keep that in mind when making your choice. With your photo uploaded, the next step involves typing in a specific prompt. While I can't provide the exact text of the prompt here, make sure you follow any provided guidelines or examples closely. To ensure the software processes your image correctly, these prompts can help guide the software in understanding what kind of transformation or effect you're aiming for. In the next section, you'll want to find the Tools option. Once you've clicked on that, you should see an option that says Create Images. Select this, and it will lead you to a deeper set of customization options and settings. Ensure that everything looks good and you're ready to roll. The final step here is to click Submit. Once you do, the tool will work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll have a beautifully transformed, hyper-realistic 4K portrait ready for Instagram or wherever you choose to share it. Remember, this process might take a little bit of time depending on the complexity and size of the image you're working with, so don't fret if it's not instantaneous. Once your photo is done, you should see it in the designated area on the screen, ready for download or direct sharing. There you have it. By following these steps, you can create stunning Instagram-worthy portraits with ease. Feel free to experiment with different images and prompts to achieve various styles and looks. That's all for today. Happy creating and sharing your masterpieces.